Hi friends, I want to show you my new Gubrdfrsod 4-pin trailer cable connector. It is a 6.5 feet cable, and as you can see, it has all the connectors you need to connect your trailer and synchronize your brake lights, your turn signs, your trailing lights, whatever kind of trailer you have, you can connect this cable. So it's really useful if you need to coordinate the lights with any kind of trailer. It's a kind of a generic compatible wire. It has this dust cover to protect it, and the connectors are really pure copper, so they are high quality, and it has these other endings in the other side. So you can use it to connect any compatible trailer and coordinate the lighting system. Great, thank you.